My name's Seth and welcome back for another video. In this one we are going to build the 8th part of the clutch system, which called the damper spring. Actually it is a good exercise because we are going to use a feature called the sweep, and it is really an interesting feature to use, and the sketches used on this feature are very simple. So we are going to create this part here on the picture, and this is how it looks like in the differential system. So let's begin by creating a new file and select the part design. Here I will select the front plane again, and let's begin our sketching. So here on this first sketch, all what we need is a line. So I'm going to select a line here, and the dimension of this line is 43. That's all we need for the first sketch. Now we can exit the sketch, click on escape to deselect the sketch here, and then click on sketch again and choose the front plane. For this second sketch we need a circle, so let's create a circle here. Make sure the center of the circle is on this axis here, and the diameter of this circle is just 3. The distance between the center of the circle and the line is 8. And that's all we need for the second sketch. So as you can see, sketches used on the sweep are very easy, which means the feature is really interesting. So let's use the sweep feature here on insert, boss, sweep, and the first sketch here to select is the circle, and second one is the line. Click here on options, and let's change the profile twist here to specify twist value, and change the twist control here from degrees to revolutions. And here on the direction, let's give it a 9. And here, as you can see on the preview, we have the form of the spring. Now click OK. Perfect. Now we need a cut extrude to finish our spring, so let's begin sketching again. I will select the front plane, here, and let's build a center rectangle. Make sure the center is on this axis here. Let's select a big rectangle like that. So the distance between the last line of the rectangle and this point here is just 1 millimeters. Here we have 34.4, and here we have 20. Let's build a center line to get the symmetric relation. Now click on this line and this one with the center line, and click on symmetric relation. Click OK, and now we can exit the sketch. Here let's use the extruded cut, and I'll change here from blind to mid plane to get the cut on the 2 directions. For the depth here, let's give it a 25, and then click flip side to cut, because I want to keep the form inside this cube here, and I want to delete everything which is not on this cube. So click OK, and as you can see, we got the exact form of the spring that we need. And that's all about the 8th part of the clutch system. In the next video we are going to see how to create the hub damping spring. So we will use the sweep feature again to repeat the exercise, and see you on the next video, and peace out.